Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw an Intuit QuickBooks Time mobile app payouts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw payouts in the Intuit QuickBooks Time mobile app, start by opening the app on your device. Log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once you are on the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the options available to you. Scroll down and select the Payouts option from the menu. After selecting Payouts, you'll see your available balance listed at the top of the screen. Tap on the Withdraw button next to your available balance. Proceed to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, choose your withdrawal method from the available options. Follow the prompts to enter any required information, such as bank details or payment method specifics. Review the withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap on the Submit button to complete the withdrawal process. You should see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your withdrawal request is being processed. To track the status of your withdrawal, return to the Payouts section in the app. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. If you experience any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.